immediately. I wrote him immediately. I wrote him immediately. Again. Do it again. Do it again. Altogether. The noise has altogether stopped. Hardly. I hardly watch TV. I hardly watch TV. Extremely. I am extremely tired. I am extremely tired. Rather. I would rather go home. I would rather go home. Automatically. The doors open and close automatically. The doors open and close automatically. Honestly. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. Finally. I finally got a job. I finally got a job. Normally. I don't normally lie. I don't normally lie. Deeply. Her lies hurt my father deeply. Her lies hurt my father deeply. Suddenly. Her eyes suddenly filled with tears. Her eyes suddenly filled with tears. Constantly. She watches TV constantly. She watches TV constantly. Currently. She is currently in danger. She is currently in danger. Strongly. I strongly advise you to use this. Ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Properly. Let's do this properly. Let's do this properly. Almost. I am almost finished. I am almost finished. Deliberately. I did not do it deliberately. I did not do it deliberately. Highly. I recommended it highly. I recommended it highly. Soon. It will rain soon. It will rain soon. Exactly. I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly. Relatively. She speaks relatively fast. She speaks relatively fast. Likely. It's likely a mistake. It's likely a mistake. Certainly. I certainly don't blame you. I certainly don't blame you. Specifically. She mentioned you specifically. She mentioned you specifically. Slowly. I have to walk slowly. I have to walk slowly. Generally. I generally agree with her. I generally agree with her. Eventually. I will find out eventually. I will find out eventually. Ultimately. Who is ultimately responsible for this? Who is ultimately responsible for this? Fairly. I am fairly sure it will work. I am fairly sure it will work. Directly. Can I talk to you directly? Can I talk to you directly? Easily. I don't cry easily. I don't cry easily. Widely. She is widely known. She is widely known. Primarily. Baseball is primarily a summer game. Baseball is primarily a summer game. Below. Please read the text below. Please read the text below. Thus. Hold the seats thus. Hold the seats thus. Recently. I went there recently. I went there recently. Else. I need something else. I need something else. Already. I already did that. I already did that. Somewhat. He was somewhat excited. He was somewhat excited. Probably. I should probably go. I should probably go. Especially. I especially like rock music. I especially like rock music. Slightly. I am slightly busy. I am slightly busy. Equally. You have to share the cake equally. You have to share the cake equally. Quickly. Come here quickly. Come here quickly. Ever. I am as busy as ever. I am as busy as ever. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.